welcome back to another Snazzy Foods cooking video. Today we're going to be making roti. As you know, it goes well with curries and wraps. To start off with, I have here 3 cups of flour, which I'm going to just sieve into a bowl. Okay, to the flour we're going to be adding about a teaspoon of salt, and around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we add in some boiling water slowly to make a soft dough. So we just keep slowly adding in water and mixing until we got the dough into a nice ball. If you find it very sticky, you can dust some flour onto your hands. As you can see, we're almost there. Okay, so that is the dough that you're looking for. It's a bit of stretchy consistency. Let's roll it out. Yes, now we divide the dough. And divide it again. Okay, so now we make it into little balls. All we're going to do is we're going to stretch it over and tuck it at the bottom. So we're stretching the dough and making it into a little ball. Okay, so this is the last one. And as you can see, we have 8 balls here, which means we are making 8 rotis today. Okay, so we're going to place this into a lightly oiled bowl. And we're just going to let it rest for a little while. Let's cover it and see you later. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been about 15 minutes that we've left the roti balls to rest. It's now time to get rolling. As you can see, so I have here some flour to dust the surface on so that the roti doesn't stick. I've also got my wife's favorite communication device. No, I'm just joking. It's a rolling pin. Let's get to it. Start off by lightly dusting the surface with some flour. Place your ball in the center and roll. Let's see if we can get it nice and round. Okay, so there we have it. With a little bit of imagination, it's a perfect circle. Okay, so we're going to just put this to one side. Remember to keep your balls covered so it doesn't dry out too much. Let's do the rest and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so we're all done with rolling out the rotis. It's now time to fry them. Okay, so we got our flat pan, which we need to get nice and hot first. Okay, so we'll wait for the pan to get nice and hot, but not too hot where it's going to burn the roti. We also have some melted butter or ghee. Going to put some on the pan. And place our roti on top. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting nice and almost transparent. We're going to leave the roti to get a bit brown on the one side before flipping it over. We will put some butter on either side as we flip it. See how nice it's bubbling up? That's a good sign. So we flip the roti and just brush on some butter. And we repeat again on the other side. So we just keep turning it so that we spread the heat evenly and gets done on all sides. Peek. It looks to be almost done. Some butter on this side again. And there you have it. Nice hot fresh roti. So I'm going to finish off and fry all the other rotis the same. There you have it, guys. Some nice hot fresh rotis. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, share and follow these videos.